What did you say, Amanda? What did you say?
Nothing.
What? Something about shoving my camera on my ass if I don't
That's what
delete
you
it?
said.
Fuck you.
Delete it.
No.
Or delete it, just tell me what she said.
Stuff that you have to find out on YouTube tonight.
What am I supposed to look up?
Go to my page and how about I just send it to you?
Yeah, that would be smart. And
But I'm not smart.
yeah, blondes are smart.
Hmm.
Oh, can you send me the picture of Corey, the one he's holding my phone? I want to see what he looks like.
The one Corey the homo.
I see that. Oh, shut that camera. Look in there.
Thanks.
It's on tape. Yes.
Woo.
Oh no, it's not.
It's not new. Oh, that's old. Fuck. My book.
Oh, god damn.
Why are you stealing my words?
Sounds cool.
Cause I opened the food. Okay, my uncle bought me food, and I opened it up, and I was like, "Holy goddamn!" There's like this holy like a full chicken, and then a little bit rice and a little bit mac salad, and I was like, "How long am I supposed to eat this when I never eat for 2 days because I'm sick?"
Oh, bro, you look like you're on drugs.
Thank you.
Air.
Thanks.
Your
I'm
hands in the
sad,
air.
that's why.
Sick in the head.
Fuck you. Your fault.
Oh, did you My fault. I wasn't even sick, period.
Liar. You sick-minded.
Okay, I have to go. Of course I am.
Oh yeah. Oops. Just leave it out here. I do all the time.
I have to go.
Okay. I know shit, you bro.
What's his name again? Moene? Mono? What's her middle name?
Something.
Shaori? All I remember is Nori.
Yeah, that's all I remember is Nori.
Killa Shaori. No, that sounds like shit.
Shit and Nori. Shinori. What the hell?
Shiori.
Shorty.
Shori. That sounds like shoddy.
Shorty.
Killa Shaori Moene.
Lovely.
Bye.
Bye.
Send me the thing.
Oh.
What's his face is doing a dumbass.
What face? What's his face? There's a lot of what's his face.
Well, it's not even what's his face, but what's his face, yes.
Which one?
Leon. It's on camera.
Oh wow.
But yeah.
Why?
Because
commented me yesterday.
I aimed me last night.
He has aim? Since when? Why don't you aim me? Bitch.
No.
Anyways.
But yeah, and then he was like, hi.
I look like shit because I'm sick. Don't mind it.
He was like, hi. And he was like, what's up, or something like that. But then I didn't see it because I think I was downstairs at the time. And then I was like, sorry it took so long, I was busy, and then he signed off. And then he came back on again later. He's like, no, it's okay. And then I was away. Like, I actually had an away message. And then it popped up, and then he's like, it's fine if you don't want to talk to me. And I was like, don't take it the wrong way, it was busy. And then he signed off again. And then nothing. No.
I'm going to his graduation.
No, I said, is there something you want to say? And then, he signed off again.
Would you like to come with me?
No.
Why not?
Because
Steven
there's
and
no point for me.
Steven!
I don't care about Steven's son.
Steven's son, Andres Lopez.
Steven's son.
Okay. But yeah, no, Leon texted, not texted, blah, 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 blah.
MySpace.
He commented me out of nowhere, and then I commented Pat's picture, and then he commented me, so I was like, whoa, back to the old days.
Wow.
Yeah. I have a text message. Aloha.
Mahalo.
It's Mahalo. Be like Kanye West. Mahalo.
That's just being white.
He's hollyfied.
White.
Hollyfied. Bye.